The question is, bracket 8 plus 4 times 2, bracket close, divided by 4, 7 minus 4, bracket close, times 3, according to PEMDAS. First, we'll solve the brackets. So even inside the brackets, we'll do the multiplication first, right? 8 plus 4 times 2, that will be 8. Bracket close, divide. 7 minus 4 times 3, let's solve that further. 8 plus 8, that will be 16. Divide. 7 minus 2, here we'll get 3 times 3. Let's solve that further. 16 divided by 3 times 3. Now we'll check left to right. We know that division and multiplication have the same priority, so we'll check left to right. When checking left to right, whatever comes first gets the first priority. The one that comes second will get the second priority here. We'll do division first, and since multiplication is the second priority, we'll do that next, right? 16 divided by 3 times 3. Here, 3 cancels out with 3, so 16 times 1 equals 16. This is the right answer.